welcome back to the channel. Today, I was super excited to see this collection release, and I was in Walgreens and I was like, I got to work a little early. This looks exciting. Yes, let's go ahead and pick this up. So I decided to pick up the Pac-Man that collabed with Wet n Wild, the Pac-Man Game Over eyeshadow palette, and the Pac-Man High Score blush palette, which it looks like it could be a blush and a bronzer palette almost for me. So I picked up these two. I got a couple brushes. We got one of the lip products to try out. So we're trying out the collection. I'm excited. These brushes are so cute. So excited for these. This eyeshadow palette is super, 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 super cute. Really excited for this. So y'all, let's get into it. I took the time to go ahead and take the little seal off of the side of this because Wet n Wild's packaging is ridiculous. Here's what the inside of the palette looks like. It is so cute. I love the little Pac-Man indentions in the eyeshadows. They're so pretty. I don't even want to like touch them, but I have to because I want to swatch them for you guys. So here is the pink eyeshadow. I'm just going across the top row. The purple. The orange is super creamy. Oh, that's so pretty. Then we've got this pretty aqua blue. That's kind of, that is swatch very good. Alright. And then we have the yellow. Not too bad. This pretty brown shade. That swatched really good. And then we've got this like neon orange. I don't know what you'd call it. It's a neon orange. Then we have this really pretty like royal blue, and then this bottom shade is just beautiful. So excited. So here are the swatches of the palette. The only one that did not swatch very good is that light like teal color, but overall I think everybody swatched really, really good. So excited for that bottom like shimmer shade. That is so pretty. Okay, and then I just want to show you kind of an up close of what these brushes look like. We are going to go ahead and try out. This is the powder brush. I love how these bristles are like yellow on the ends. I think that's so cute. And then it's got these little jellies in the jellies. It's got like water crystals in the brush itself. And it's got like actual little yellow Pac-Mans. I don't even know if you guys can see that or not. But these are so cute. So cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this blush right here, since I know that one is like an actual like blush shade for me, and I kind of dusted off my brush here. This is kind of big for a blush brush. Like I would use this for bronzer, but oh, that's really pretty. I love shimmery blushes. Like shimmery blushes are my favorite. Kind of mixing the two together. This one actually reminds me of the Gold Rush blush from Benefit, except it's a little bit darker. And then here is the eyeshadow brush, and it's also got like the little things in it as well. It's like just a good blending brush. So I can't decide what kind of look I want to create today. Alright, I think we're just going to go in with this brown shade, this one right here. And I'm just going to kind of take that and just kind of work that into the crease. Ooh, she is pigmented. Hello. I think I'm just gonna kind of go for like an all over, like blown out, like super bronzy look. I'm gonna go work down to the lower lash line. So guys, I don't know if it is hot where you are at, but it is blazing here where I am at in Illinois. So hot. I finally have gotten to plant my pumpkins this year. I got to do that today. Finally, since the rain has stopped for a little while. It has been doing nothing but rain here in Illinois for quite some time. Okay, then I think I'm gonna go into that orange shade right there in the top corner. I'm actually just gonna use my finger for the orange because it's more of a shimmer shade. So I don't think my brush would do very good for that. I'm just gonna apply it like all over the lid. So then I'm just going to take this shade here and I'm just going to actually apply that to my inner corner. I'm going to take this real small pencil brush. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so pretty. I didn't even wet my brush. Wow. I am so excited for this shade. Like, y'all, you need to run and get this palette. It is so good. So good. I feel like this is going to be my new go-to for the summer. So then I also got a lip product in the line. This one is in the shade Clyde, which I think that is the name of this orange little Pac-Man guy here. He's not the Pac-Man, but you know. So this is actually a gloss. Wow, well, little did I know, I decided to match my eye look, and I didn't even realize I was doing it. Okay, so that is what the gloss looks like. It's not tacky. It doesn't smell like anything, which is always a bummer. I really like my glosses to smell yummy, but that's okay. The packaging on this gloss is actually really cute. It's got like the little design of the Pac-Man game around the top of the tube here. Super cute packaging. The packaging on this entire collection is just really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I could go ahead and put on some mascara and all that fun stuff, but y'all don't really need to see that part. You know what it looks like. So this is the final look, pretty much so. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed hearing about the collection. I highly recommend going and getting like a few pieces of it if you want to. It's a good collection. And yeah, guys, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.